So, what is chronic wet cough? Chronic means anything that is going on for a very long time, and wet cough means cough which is with expectoration, जिसमें बलगम आता हो या फिर बच्चा जब खांसता है तो उसके गले में से बलगम की आवाज आती हो. If any child has wet cough lasting for more than 4 weeks, he has chronic wet cough. Common causes of chronic wet cough can be respiratory tract infections. Most commonly, we see children coming with chronic sinusitis or repeated respiratory tract infections leading to chronic wet cough. But sometimes children do have some unusual rare causes of chronic wet cough, which must be evaluated. These are bronchiectasis, cystic fibrosis, primary ciliary dyskinesia. Sometimes children with immunity-related issues have recurrent respiratory tract infections leading to chronic wet cough. These children must be evaluated by a pulmonologist.